To access the potentiometer, we have to take this apart.
Here's the knob. Second step is the nut on the back here. Nut and a star washer. That guy just slides out. Those are 3 wires, white, orange, and purple. What your new one will look like. You'll have to clean it up a little bit. Circuit board is labeled white, orange, and purple. May or may not be a little knob on here that you'll have to take off. Through the hole, lock washer, nut. Turn your knob counterclockwise. Throw it back on there. And we're done.